In this question, we're given a pyramid and we're asked to find out how much more glass would be needed to fill this pyramid if we were to triple the length of the base. First thing to note is that since we're going to fill the decoration, then we're talking about volume. We can also get that by just looking at the units here. See, we got cubed units, then we know we're dealing with volume. So let's recall the volume of a pyramid. In this case, it's the area of the base times the height. And then all of that divided by 3. So the area of the base would be its length times its width, because we're dealing with a rectangular base, and actually in this case it's a square base, and then multiplied by the height, all divided by 3. So the length might be 6 here, the width 6, and the height 7 centimeters. So if we plug all these into our formula here, we get 6 times 6 times 7, all divided by 3. And what I could do is I could divide 3 into there once and go into there twice. So our volume is 2 times 6 times 7. So 2 times 6 is 12 times 7 is 84, and our units here would be centimeters cubed. So the volume of our original shape would be 84 centimeters cubed. Now they tell us that we're going to triple the length of each side of the base. So if we did that, multiply this by 3, and that would give us now 18 centimeters for that width or side, and then triple this side as well, and that would also give us 18 centimeters for the new length of the side. We're also told that we're going to keep the height the same. We're keeping the height the same, so the height will still be 7 centimeters. Okay, let's move that over a little bit so we have a little bit more room to work with here, and I'll just shrink it down a bit. So the volume of the larger shape, I'll call it V2 here, would still be the length times the width times the height, all divided by 3. But our length now is 18 centimeters, our width is 18 centimeters, and our height remains the same at 7, all divided by 3. And again, I could take 3 into there once. 3 goes into 18 6 times. So our new volume would be 6 times 18 times 7 divided by 1, and when we plug that into our calculator, we end up with 756 centimeters cubed. Okay, we want to know how much more glass is needed, so what we can do is we can take 84, subtract it from 756, and that should give us our difference. So we'll take 756 minus 84, and we do that. 6 minus 4 is 2. Got to borrow 1 from here. 15 minus 8 is 7, and we're left with the 6 there. And the units, of course, would be centimeters cubed. So we need 672 cubic centimeters more material. And there, if we look at our options down here, we can see that C is the right answer.